invitation, signed and sealed, but I didn't dream it. You were there, your lips, your voice, your conscience stare. You made a choice, then played the ghost. Shvgara saw her lie the most. Flecktarn in earnest, toe-ten coach and cuff grin. You called it nothing, I named it. You touched then turned, blame the drink, now I bleed while you barely blink. I curse his name, not yours, not then, but silence feeds the dead again. He wears their death, not second skin. The kept weak now, they're pulling him in. Toe-ten cuff patch on Flecktarn skin. I didn't check him, I let death in. He mocks the dead with every stitch. Now karma's dogs are on his lips. You touched me first, that wasn't lost, but you found your route and paid no cost. Played the drunk, then played the blame. Gaslit consent like it's just a game. I'll watch the truth rot in your hand while he played soldier in no man's land. And now his patch is your shadow too, but I save my curse, it's never for you. He's trusted Flecktarn, SS pride, barbed wire, ghost wrapped in genocide. You let him crawl into your bed while orphan screams filled my head. You weren't the target, you weren't the flame, but you stood by, then spoke my name as if I wrote the script alone while he wore Daco on his bones. Flecktarn in the furnace, burking no tears, burking no tears. Bell sends witness years of fear. You stood as he wore extermination proud, but I spoke the names and I said them loud. I cursed his name in a forest of flame. Shvgara rises, she knows his game. No escape from the dead he mimics. Now the camps wake and the dead bear witness. The butchered souls at Ores and lettuce. The butchered souls at Ores and lettuce. The butchered souls.